Okay, welcome student. Today in this video we are going to study standard 12 statistics. In this page number 39, typical example. A very typical example is given. You can see the price of three items A, B and C, means all the items A, B, C, D, E is given in the question. I have already written it. Okay. I am going to explain the price of three items A, B and C. Just watch. A, B and C increased in the year 2015 by 90%, 120% and 70%. Okay. Means its price is increased by 90%, then increases 120% and 70%. Okay, that means increase and decrease percentage of A, B and C, which I have written 90, 120 and 70. A, B and C. So here it has plus 90, then plus 120 and here 70 plus 70. Okay. Now, whereas the price of two items, that means D and E, the price of the two items D and E, it had decreased by 2% and 5%. Now, D and E, 2% and 5%. That means in this section, decrease means gone down. It has gone down. That means minus 2 and minus 5. Okay. Now, further, item A, that means now according to this, first of all we should do the calculation. Okay. Now further, item A, that means again item A. Item A is 4 times important than B. That means item A is 4 times importance than B. Now, what we will do? We will take B as 1. If we suppose B as 1, that means A will be 4 multiplied by 1. 4 multiplied by 1 equals to 4. Now, according to the question, C is 6 times importance than item A. What? C is 6 times importance than A. And A is how much? 4. That is 6 into 4 equals to 24. We have got 24. Now, then item A. The importance of D and E. D and E. Both D and E, they are 2.5 times. 2.5. That means 2.5 and 2.5. 2.5 and 2.5. Now, compute general price index number of the year 2015 for all the 5 items. So, let's start. Okay. Now we have seen the price of A, B and C, it has increases, means the prices has gone down. Sorry, of 90, 120 and 70. So percentage, according to the percentage, that is 100 plus 90, here 120, 100 plus 120, 70, that is 100 plus 70, and these two items D and E, their prices has gone down, that means decreases. So 100 minus 2 and 100 minus 5. Okay, now 100 plus 90, we will do it total, that is 190, 100 plus 120, that is 220, then 100 plus 70, 170, 100 minus 2, that is 98, and 100 minus 5, that is 95. This is the index number we have calculated. Okay. Now we are going to find out the weight, and we have already calculated the weight here. We can see these are the weight 4, 1, 24, 2.5 and 2.5. These are the weight. We have calculated and we will write it over there. Okay. Now this one 4, 1, then 24, 2.5, 2.5. Okay. Now we need to find out IW. Okay. Why? Because according to the formula, I is equal to sigma IW upon sigma W. This is the formula. We need to find out IW, then sigma. For that, we will calculate IW. Okay. That means I will be multiplied with 4. Means this and this multiply, this and this multiply, multiply, multiply and multiply. That means 190 multiplied by 4, that is 760. 220 multiplied by 220, 220. Then 170 multiplied by 24, that is 0840. Okay. Then 98 multiplied by 2.5, that is 245. Then 95 multiplied by 2.5, that is 237.5. Okay. After multiplying, we need the sum, that means total. For this, we will write here total. Let's sum it. That is 5, then 0.2, 4 and 5 and 5. This will be the total 5542.5. Now this total, it will be 34. Okay. Now we have obtained the value of IW and W. Now we are going to put the same value on the formula. This is the formula sigma IW upon sigma W. So we will put it. Okay. It will be how much? 5, 2.5 divided by sigma W, that is 34. If we divide it, we are going to get the answer 163.014. Okay. We need 2 places after the decimal. that is this 2 place we will see 4, it is less than 5, it will remain the same, so it will be 163.01. Now this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. What we have done in the question, let me remind you once again. First of all, we have read the question and we found that these are the items A, B, C, D and E. These are the items, and according to the question says that item A increased by 90%, item B increased by 120%, item C increased by 70%. That means the prices has gone up. So we have put the same thing over here. That means plus 90, plus 120, plus 70. So the percentage is always in 100. Okay, 100 plus 90, 190, 100 plus 120, 220, 100 plus 70, 170, 100. And these two items, D and E, their prices have gone down. 2% and 5%. Okay. So minus 2 and minus 5 equals to 98 and 95. This is what index number. We have found out the index number. Now we are going to follow the weightage. And in the question, it is given the item A is 4 times of item B. Item A suppose here 1. Then item B suppose here 1. Item A will be 4 times of B. That is 184 equals to 4. And item C, this is 6 times of A. And what we have is 4. 6 times, that means 6 into 4, 24. Item D and E, they are the 2.5 times. Okay? That means 2.5. So we have written the weightage here. You can see weight 4, 1, 24, 2.5, 2.5. Now we have to find out the index number. This is the weightage method, and we have written the formula. This is the formula. That is I equals to sigma IW upon W, and we need the total of it. After that we multiply it and obtain IW, and we have done the total. That is the total. And we have put the same thing in the formula. After putting, we find out that it comes to be here about 163.01. Okay? I hope you must have understood the question. Okay? If you have any problem, you can consult me. Stay safe, stay home. Bye.